Hello friends, today's our topic is logarithms, right? So now e raised to x is equal to m, then x is called logarithm of m to the base a and is written as log a m, right? So log of a, base is m and m, right? That is logarithm. So base a logarithm m, that is a raised to x is equal to m. So is equal to x we can write because power is x here, right? So now time for example C. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. So I have to write log 16 base 2 is equal to 4. For this one log that 27 base 3 is equal to power 3, right? So this is how we are going to write. See log a, log 1 any for log 1 and for any base that will be 0, and log a base and logarithm are same, then answer will be 1. So that is simple logarithm. Then now some rules for logarithm, standard formula for logarithms. Log m into n, so this is multiplication. So whenever there is multiplication in logarithm, there will be summation of individual log m base e plus log n base e. If in logarithm, if there is division, so there will be subtraction individually, log m base e minus log n base e. And if in logarithm there is a power value, so here see power is n, so we have to multiply with that power and log m base e as it is. And natural logarithm, so logarithm of a number to the base e, that value is fixed 2.7182 and it is called natural logarithm. Then logarithm of a number to the base 10 is called common logarithm. In all practical calculation we always use this common logarithm. Now conversion of natural logarithm to common logarithm. So if we are having log n base e, see base e, if we want to convert it into base 10, so we need to multiply with 2.3 node 3 approximately, because 2 6 I can write 3 log n base 10. Now it is now base 10, so we are converting from base e to base 10. So here it is written, see 2.303 log n base 10 now. So here one example is given, see this one. So this can be written as w is equal to, see base e we are converting it into 10, so w is equal to 2.303 RT log v2 upon v1, now base 10, right? So that's the example of conversion of natural logarithm to common logarithm, means from conversion from base e to base 10. So example for that, expand the following using logarithm formula. So frequency formula is given, right? So see here it is also printing mistake. If we are going to write power 1 by 2, so we don't have to write square root, right? So log f is equal to log t raised to 1 by 2. Now see m is in denominator, so I have to subtract here and then log m raised to 1 by 2, right? Minus here one term is left and that is L. So minus log 2 because of 2 constant plus log L. Why plus? Because 2 and L both are in multiplication, so that's why here summation will be there. And see 2 and L are in denominator, so that's why subtraction here it is. So then solution of that, it is 1 by 2, here multiplication log t, then 1 by 2 log m minus log 2 plus log l, as it is 1 by 2 common, log t minus log m minus log 2 minus log l. So this is how we are going to find that log f. Simple. Similarly, some examples are there. PV raised to gamma is equal to k. So log of PV raised to gamma is equal to log k, right? So see, log of PV raised to gamma is equal to log k. So first of all, in multiplication, right, then log, this is multiplication, right? So log p plus log v is equal to log k. So that is its solution. Now for second, here log v is equal to, see, all are in multiplication. So first of all, log pi plus log p, then plus 4 should be in multiplication, log r minus log 8 minus log eta minus log l. So these all are in denominator, that's why subtraction here, see, and these all are in multiplication, so that's why summation here, right? Similarly, for third example, see, log h is equal to log 2 plus log t minus log r minus log p minus log g, right? And now time for fourth one, log t is equal to log 2 plus log pi plus 1 by 2 log l, but minus 1 by 2 log g, right? So that is the solution for fourth equation, this one. So that is logarithm.